Where's your stick? Sit. Morning from Balinga Beach. I had a little bit of an early start this morning. Heading out with the camera, no tripod because I just need to run up to the markets, but grabbing a few shots along the way. Should be about another 3 minutes or so, 5:40 Queensland time is sunrise. So just waiting for it to happen and then I'll head back to the car and up to the market. So follow me around. So the sunrise this morning ended up being a little bit lackluster. As you can see, cloud literally everywhere. Tried to get a few shots, but nothing really came up. It all was hidden. Anyway, always tomorrow morning. I'm heading down to Melbourne, so should look pretty good down there. As you can probably tell, back home already, nothing special at the markets. Grab some nikomaki, which is just these rice balls wrapped with marinated meat. And yeah, that's about it. Have to take him for a walk. Trying to make a 8:25 Jetstar flight probably. There is a 9:25 Tiger, but it doesn't get in until about, I think, 1 o'clock in the afternoon maybe. So can't really be bothered to get in that late. Might just try and hop on the early one, but I only have 45 minutes to run down to the beach and take him for a bit of a walk. So it really is a great morning out on the beach here. Unfortunately, because I was further up the coast, the sunset was average. Here would have been perfect, but you can't always win it. So hopefully when I come back up next time, similar conditions. Anyway, I need to throw this and give him a run around.
my call. I don't really know you. It's getting so cold. I just wanna show you that good things come if you never stop. Missing my call. I don't really know you. It's getting so cold. I just wanna show you that good things come if you never stop. Good things come if you never stop.
Made it onto yet another flight, this time Jetstar. Heading down to Melbourne, should be there in 2.5 hours or so. Hopefully, quick flight.
Stop.
a waiting heart. Ba, 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 ba. I wanna be the one that you're calling, one that you're calling. Yeah, I want to be the one that you're calling, one that you're
Made it into Melbourne again, just passing through Southern Cross Station off the tram. Ended up the FO flying the A320 high new, which was awesome because, well, it's always good to know that you know who's flying the plane. Anyway, got there on time. Skybus was fairly quick as usual, and now just for the tram home, which will take probably half an hour or so. Need to go find lunch, head to the supermarket, get a few things done. I'm technically working the next 5 days on reserve, so will probably be fairly boring, but I'll find something.
Yeah, I want to be the one that you're calling, one that you're calling. Yeah, I've been calling. You avoided me for weeks. I've been dialing, but you've been declining me.
Okay, so a little bit different to usual. I'm walking up through Richmond this time. This is because the normal tram that I take to Bridge Road was delayed for a while due to a police event. So no idea what's actually happened in the Docklands, but anyway, there's another route I can take. I just had to walk down to Flinders Street. And yeah, nearly home. It's warm and I have good air conditioning, so I'll be there soon. Made it home, started to unpack. Everything's been washed, and yeah, that's about it. Nice and sunny day out, but I've got some study to get done. So I'm walking down to Coles with my reusable bags and picking up more food. So I'll probably say goodnight. I don't think I'll grab the camera back out again, but I'll just grab a few clips along the way.